if there is one skill you want to learn in 2026, it has to be advertising. There are millions of businesses today which are online and they want to run ads to reach their customers and convert them into revenue. The biggest platform with billions of daily active users is Facebook. And learning Facebook advertising so that you can optimize businesses' campaigns is the best thing you can do for your career today. If you want to get started, this is the best starting point that you can have. In this video, I'll share with you what are Facebook ads, how do they really work, give you a rundown of what Facebook ads look like, and I'll also show you a new tool Facebook has launched in the Ads Manager called Opportunity Score, which is built for small businesses to optimize their ads, to get the best practices in sight and start saving up to 5% in median cost per result. I'll tell you what that means, but let's get started with this video. Hi, I'm Ishan, and I first started learning Facebook ads in 2019 when I worked as an intern at a premium flower selling company. There, I learned how ads are created, how to create different ad sets, how to A/B test with different designs, with different captions, with different headlines, different action buttons, how to track every single sale. I learned all of that. I took those learnings and applied it at CodeDam, which is a startup run by my senior from college called Mehul. So I started running ads to sell courses, workshops, and masterclasses. Then I started my marketing company in 2021 and have been in marketing ever since. Learned everything about how to create an offer people cannot refuse, how to convert visitors into real revenue, and at the very end, how do you track everything? So I'll show you what Facebook offers, how can you get started with it, and how you can use Opportunity Score to improve your campaigns every single day. Let's get started. I'll also share a new connector Facebook has in Claude through which you can run ads seamlessly and with the power and intelligence of the most powerful AI model out there, Claude Opus 4.7 and the newer ones in the future. But let's jump into facebook.com. So this is what your facebook.com account would look like. You need to basically click on these few dots and go on to the Ads Manager. So if you go down here, you would see Professional Ads Manager. So you need to have a Facebook page for this. And once you do that, it will launch Ads Manager for you. So this is what my personal ads account look like. I used to run ads on the company accounts, but here we have a lot of moving pieces. But the most important one is this create button right here. Now, if you look over here, we see 100 opportunity score. Opportunity score basically has a list of actionables that you can quickly implement with a couple of clicks into your ad sets, into your campaigns, and optimize the ad. It basically recommends the best practices that Meta has for you to follow so that your ads run better. It says 100 over here for now, but there can be times when it says 80 or 60, and it gives you a few actionables that you can implement with just one click or a couple of more clicks and get near real-time analysis of your campaigns and your ad sets. And it tells you exactly how you can run ads better by following the best practices that Meta has laid down for every business who's running ads on Meta. That is basically what the opportunity score looks like. First of all, I'll just click on plus and I need to go here, and as soon as I clicked on create, it tells me about the new ad tool called Opportunity Score. I'll just click on OK, and I can start creating a campaign. So depending on what you want the business to do, you can select the campaign that you want. Awareness is basically just to get as much reach and impressions as possible. So say you just want brand recognition in your locality. You can actually use the awareness campaign for that. Or let's say you are looking for traffic. So you want people to actually visit your website from the ad. So then the objective of this campaign is traffic. Maybe then you might want a campaign in which you want people to DM you and your business about some query. They might be using, Messenger or Instagram or WhatsApp and have real chats with you. Maybe you want to book reservations at a hotel or a restaurant that you're working at. So you might want to use the engagement-based campaign. Or you might want to get leads. Leads are potential customers that you can convert. These are people who are interested to learn more about the product that you have and how can you get them. So here the focus would be on capturing information about the leads so that you can reach out to them later. So as you can see, it would have forms, it would have a website, it would have a landing page, it would have conversations and calls. Then we also have app promotion. So if you want to drive app installs for an app that you are working for, then you can use this. Or at the very end, if you just want conversion based advertising, then this is the objective to go for. Maybe you're running a very simple Shopify store in which you just want to get conversions as much as possible. So depending on what you want from this campaign, you can select the objective. Let's say I just want to get some traffic onto my website. So that's all I'm looking for right now for my company, marketup.in. And here I am saying use recommended settings. I'll just say continue. So it has the best practices built into your campaign so that you don't face any problems later on. Okay, so what are we looking at right now? This is how you're setting up a campaign. So a campaign is basically your overall ad, which would include different ad sets. And different ad sets can include different ads underneath it. So this is basically how the hierarchy works. I can turn on A/B testing if I want to do that. So what would you like to test? You can test on the image of the ad. You can test on the audience, on where the ad is going to be placed, or something completely custom. So you can choose that over here and see which ad is working better. Facebook automatically finds the ads which are performing better and starts investing more of your budget into those ads. So it does that on its own. So you don't have to worry about that. But this is basically how it works. Now I can just basically click on next, and this is where I land into an ad set. I'll just call it D2C Founders for LinkedIn. I can choose the conversion location. So choose where do you want to drive traffic. I just want them to land on my website, marketup.in. So I'll just pick that. And then I can set a performance goal. So what do you want Facebook to optimize this for? So I'll just go ahead and see what we have. Number of landing page views. Then we have number of link clicks. Then we have number of daily unique reach and other goals as well. So depending on what you're looking for, you can optimize this automatically. Let's just say I just want as many landing page views as possible. And then I can just go down here and put a daily budget of, let's say, 800 rupees right here. I want to start it immediately. And then we can just go down here and we can start selecting the location that we want. So this is where we can start targeting the people that you want to see the ad. So in this case, I will edit it and I will remove United States and I will start adding people. So let's say I want to have people from, Indira Nagar in Bengaluru. So I can target people from Indira Nagar and I can remove United States. Then let's say I want to also have people from Lower Parel. Let's just say Lower Parel in Mumbai is a locality I want to target. Now I can actually pinpoint exactly what location I want, and it shows me the estimated audience size right here. And based on the location I've picked and the interest of people I want to target, I can find that unique audience that will actually be interested in what I'm trying to sell. So if this is the location I want to go for, I can just go down and I can start showing more options. So what age group do I want to target? I want them to be at least 25 years old. And then we can just go down and go on to next. And this is when I get to my actual ad. So we had a campaign, ad set, and now the ad itself. So here I can actually pinpoint what is it that I want the ad to contain. So there will be a website. So this is where I will basically just go in here and go on to marketup.in and take this website link over here. I can also make a trackable link if that's what I want to do and track exactly who is coming and how many. We can go here and have a ad creative. So select and optimize your ad text. So we can actually set up an image ad. Let's go with that. And we can add an image over here and then we can simply just say next. So it would basically just save everything. I can actually show you how it works. So if I go to Pomeli, which helps me create marketing assets. It's a Google tool. So I have some assets available on this platform. Let's just say I have this as an image. So I can just download this image. So we'll just click on next for this image. And this is what the image would look like in the ad, different variations. So this is the square ad, this is the story ad, and this is the horizontal ad, which will be visible on all the various platforms. But we'll just click on next. And this is where you can add the primary text, the headline, the description, and the call to action. So I can just say, I want the call to action to be get access, sign up now. I think learn more itself is good. So we'll just keep it that. This is horrible copy. Don't use this. I'm just showing it to you for example. So as you can see, build organic distribution with MarketUp. Stop letting the algorithm dictate your company's growth. And then you can click on learn more, and then it will be going to the marketup.in website. So this is what we have over here. And then if everything looks good, I can simply just click on publish. So I'll just quickly add some funds over here. All right, so now our ads are getting published. So we have multiple items published. We can create a different version and start A/B testing, which I just told you about before. But I'll just click on cross for now. You can see the budget being listed over here, the amount spent so far, the impressions of this ad. So every time, even if someone scrolls through that ad, it counts as an impression. It then shows you the reach. It then shows when is this ad going to end. And then you can see all of these details, and you can create various different reports, right? You can add different metrics. You have so many different keywords that you can learn. There are things like ROAS, ROAS, return on ad spend. You can learn about CPR, cost per result, cost per landing page view, cost per click, cost per sale. You have all of these metrics that you can learn and get better at. Now, if you want to learn a lot more about Meta ads, you should definitely check out Meta Blueprint. They have amazing courses and webinars that you can take up and become a certified Meta advertising expert. So you can get these certifications and you can become more trustable by any business who would want to hire you. You have the courses over here that you can take up and start learning about how to use the business suite, for example, how to run ads on Meta. Everything is mentioned over here itself through the form of videos and blogs. Now, this video would have been incomplete if I did not talk about AI. And today you can connect your Ads Manager account with Claude as a connector and get real insights about all of your campaigns. You can get reporting, you can manage all of your campaigns, ideate and brainstorm with a powerful AI agent like Claude, and execute different tasks. So that if you can see this is how it works. If you connect it once using the developer resources and blogs, you can use this Ads MCP server for comprehensive reporting, ad creation and management, catalog creation and management, signal diagnostics. You can do all of that from this simple connector. So I can simply start setting up a remote MCP server. And I can do that by going on to Claude, and it says get started with custom connectors using remote MCP. So I went on customize on Claude and I went on to connectors, and here I can click on adding a connector. So I can add a custom connector over here, which is basically going to be my MCP of Meta ads. So I'll just put the remote MCP URL to be this, and I can just click on add. That's all I need. And now I have Meta ads connected over here. So you can now connect and authorize this connection between your Meta Ads Manager with Claude. So I'll just say continue as Ishan. I will select all accounts, click on continue. I'll click on save. And if you go back to Claude, you can see the Meta Ads custom MCP is connected as a connector. So you can now get access to all of the details of the ads that you are running. If I go back to my Claude, I can see that I have the Meta Ads connector as enabled. And now I can just ask, how are my Meta ads doing today? For example, give me a report. So it will actually connect with my Meta ads and actually access that information on my behalf. So it is now, we'll just say always allow. So it's connecting with my Facebook account. This is so cool. Like imagine brainstorming with Claude and letting it control and create all the ad sets for you on your behalf. I'll just say always allow. And this is just like the next big opportunity. If you're not using this, you're pretty much missing out. So we don't have any data today because I'm not running any ads, but you can actually get a lot of data and insights from over here. And if I go back to my ad, I can actually see that it is working. It is active. So this ad is now being shown to people on Facebook, on Instagram, on other platforms as well. So that's basically how Facebook ads works in 2026, how to do it the smarter way using AI. And I just showed you how Opportunity Score can help you optimize and make ads which follow the best practices. TLDR, learn Facebook ads using the Meta Blueprint website. Learn how ad campaigns and ad sets work. Use opportunity score to optimize your ads. And then at the very end, learn to connect the Meta Ads MCP with Claude so that you can run ads faster than ever before, optimize any ad that you want to, get more advice from Claude, and become the best at managing Facebook ads for businesses around the world. That was the video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. If you have any questions, let me know below in the comment section. Also check out Opportunity Score with the link in the description of this video. Thank you so much to Meta for working with me on this video. I just love this new tool that they've come up with called Opportunity Score, and you should definitely try it out if you are running ads for any small to medium business. That is all from me today. The link in the description will take you to more information about Facebook ads, to Meta Blueprint, to Opportunity Score, and at the very end, also teach you about the Meta MCP for Claude. Go try all these things out. I'll see you in the next video.